Hey, today I'm going to be doing a summer nail tutorial, and it's a really fun tutorial, and it's like a really fun color. I did my left hand already, which is sort of bad, but because it's my left hand, I'm already. But it still is like a really fun color. And then for the thumb, I did a little design on it, which is kind of bad again because it's my left hand, and I'm not very good at that stuff. So yeah, it's just a little flower and then some little like things, as you can see. When I say I'm talking about those little lines on it. Yeah, those are optional, or you could just do a big flower if you wanted to. But yeah, so let's get started right now. Okay, the color I'm using is by NYC Color. New York Color. That's okay. Oh, sorry, I totally had a blank moment. And this is the color Pink Pomade Creme. So yeah, if you can see it. Okay, that's that. So the next thing I'm also using two Sally Hansen products. And this is the Sally Hansen Double Duty. Whoa, it's like see-through. Hey. And then and this is a base and a top coat. And the base is not. It's not like it's optional. Like, it really makes your nail polish stay on a lot longer, so I do recommend doing it. But if you're just trying to do it quick, then screw it. Whatever. Okay, the next color I'm using is also by Sally Hansen, and this is just a white French manicure. I got this in my French manicure kit, but I use it for everything else. Whoa. Okay. And sorry my hair is really dark right now. It's because I got out of the shower just a little bit ago. So moving on. Okay, I'm going to move my camera real quick so you can actually see when I'm doing the nails. Whoa. Not cool. That's not going to work. Okay, that'll do just fine. So I am going to start off with the base coat. Because, again, it makes your nails down way longer with your nail polish. So I just do that really quick because it's not like anybody sees it. Okay. So that is the base coat, just kind of shiny. Isn't it weird when you do a base coat, or like when you do like anything, it makes your nails feel really cold? Is that just me? Whatever. My nails feel cold right now. Okay, moving on. You don't really have to let that dry too much because you're putting something over it, so wave it around. And then the next color I'm going to be using is my main color, this pretty pink pomade creme, or creme. I don't really know how to pronounce that last word right there. C-R-E-M-E. Yeah. Okay, so hi. I'm just going to do this real quick. If I could get it open. Okay, got it. And it doesn't matter if you don't do your nails perfect, because obviously, like, the stuff on your skin, if you get some on your like skin, it comes off. Like, it's not gonna stay there forever. It like comes off with your, like, if you like wash your hands or like take a shower, it normally comes off in the shower. So if you want to spend all your time trying to make your nails absolutely perfect, then be my guest. But I just think this is easier. Or you can take like a Q-tip at the end. But still, really, why waste your time when it just comes off by itself? Okay, one more on pinky. Whoa, I just totally messed that pinky up. Maybe I got some a lot on my skin. But that is the main color. And now I'm going to do my thumb. Let's see how this goes. Okay, and now I'm using the French manicure color, the white, and this has a really nice like applicator. Oh my god, not good. Woo, did you see that? I just got white all over, nail polish all over my whatever. So yeah, that is the tip for that. Okay, and this works really nice for drawing stuff. But like if you're trying to do like a flower, okay, never mind. Then you want a little more. But what you want to do when you're drawing a flower is you sort of want to just like make little dots in like 5 places. Sorry, I'm trying to concentrate. That was kind of bad and kind of good at the same time. I'm not like one of those crazy people who like spend a ton of time on nails, but I do normally have my nails done. And if you can hear that, that's my phone. Okay, so that is my nail, my flower, my nail on my flower, my flower on my nail. My bad. Okay, so the last thing for designs, you can add little like swooshes, and all you really do is just kind of glide the brush like around like that. And normally I make them start from the corner. That was sort of bad, but okay. I made that one a little longer. And these ones are a little more thinner than these. Yeah, way thinner. But same thing, pretty much. So that is the design. And it's really cute in summer because like flowers, summer, I don't know, they kind of go together. So those are my nails, but I have to do the top coat. So don't go away. So the last, again, what I used for the base coat, just the Sally Hansen Double Duty. And I'm going to do my thumb last because I'm going to give that a little time to dry. Dun, da, 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 da. This is kind of awkward. Okay. I've been having like a habit of whistling all the time. I was like in basketball practice today and I was just like whistling. I was like, whoops. And it was while he was talking too, so it was not good. Yeah. Okay, well, you get it. I'm gonna wait. You get it. I am going to wait for my thumb to dry so I don't mess it up. So I'll do that in a minute. But I don't want to waste your time, so I hope you enjoyed this video. That is my nail tutorial. Really fun, bright colors for the summer. So keep it fresh in the summertime. So peace out. Ooh.